Hi guys. There was an email that I got with a couple questions on the sun online activity. So the question I got was number 8. Number 8 is under the category of solar activity. And the question is, the solar cycle lasts for about how many years? What is common during this time? Okay, so if we go to the site, this site right here, this is that page, and we go over here to the categories, we'll go to activity because it was under solar activity. And it talks about all of the different stuff that happens on the sun, all of the different phenomena that occur, and they're listed here as sunspots and coronal mass ejections that disrupt helmet streamers in their solar corona. A lot of different things that are all listed right here happen during this solar cycle. And that solar cycle down here, they talk about how long that lasts. And it says here the number of sunspots and the levels of solar activity. So the levels of all of these things they're talking about up here vary within an 11-year period. Okay, so it happens every 11 years, and any of these things listed up here would be an example of what is frequent during that time. Hope this helps. If you have any more questions, let me know.